When arranging furniture in a small living room, it's important to consider the layout and flow of the space. Here are a few tips. Start by measuring the room and creating a floor plan. This will help you visualize different furniture arrangements. Choose furniture that is appropriately sized for the space. Avoid large, bulky pieces that will overwhelm the room. Use multifunctional furniture, such as ottomans with storage or a coffee table that doubles as a storage unit. Create a focal point, such as a fireplace or a large piece of art, and arrange the furniture around it. Use light colors and reflective surfaces to make the room feel larger. Try to keep the furniture away from the walls to create a more open, inviting feel. Consider using smaller scale furniture for smaller space.